Co. Good job.
Very nice.
That's wonderful. Now, for really being good, I have the coat on and say it. I'm not gonna. I'll help you, but I'll ask for them to say help me. You ready? One more? Want a hat? Huh? Okay. Then say cat. 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 Look at me. Cat. 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 Good job. Not perfect, but we'll take it.
Mm-hmm.
Hat on. Good boy. Hat on. Should we put on a shirt? Want a shirt? Oh, my goodness. Let's stop on. I'll find another shirt. Here's pants. You want pants? Huh? What? Yeah? Okay, look at me. Cone. Look at Ella. Cone. Look at Ella. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Cone. Good boy. Let's put the pants on. That's full time. Come on. Use your other hand. Help yourself. Come on, let's put them on. Oh, good job. Excellent. We have to put our legs in. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Good boy, Gavin. Good helper. Help me. Good boy. Push up. All the way up, 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 up. Are you ready? Find a shirt that does not mess up. Coat. Good job, coat. Baby. You ready? Say cup. Cup. It's very hard for him. Look at me. Cup. Good job. Let's put it on. Coat on. I do have cow. Let's see if we can get cow. That's a diphthong, but we'll try. Look! Coat on, pants on. You know what we need? We need shoes. What do we need? Good boy, we need shoes. Should we put a shoe on? Huh? Yeah, okay. Let's say cow. 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 Look at that. Cow. Yeah. Good boy. Good try. Look at me. Can. No. Cow says moo. I know a cow says moo. But the name is a cow. No, it's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Let's go. Get. Give me. I'm not going to push.